The Milky Way galaxy is the home of many planets and stars, such as our own planet, Earth. It is also the home of 200 million stars and is approximately 13.2 billion years old. The size of the Milky Way is actually quite large. The diameter is said to be 100 to 120,000 light years, while the thickness is only 1 light year. You may have wondered where we got the name Milky Way for this galaxy. So the Milky comes from the appearance of its dim glowing band that arches across the sky. Milky Way is a translation from the classical Latin Via Lactea, which is derived from the Greek words galaxias kyklos, and it means milky circle. Most stars of the Milky Way cannot be seen directly by the naked eye, and therefore the stars we see are actually more than one star. It's just that they're so far away, they seem as if they are just one little blob in the beautiful night sky. We know all this thanks to the very famous astronomer and scientist Galileo, who in 1610 resolved with his telescope that the stars were actually clusters of stars together. Also, people used to think that the Milky Way was the only galaxy, but according to famous scientist Edwin Hubble, that the Milky Way galaxy was just one of many galaxies out there far away from us in our universe. There are 3 main parts to the Milky Way. There is the galactic halo, disk, and bulge. So, the halo is a diffuse spheric region right next to the disk. Most of the stars that are part of the halo are quite old and are part of global clusters, which are usually 10,000 to a million stars. The halo is said to be mostly made of dark matter, which may extend all the way to the disk. They say it's dark matter because the mass does not emit electromagnetic radiation, and it doesn't absorb it either. Now the disk. It has 4 spiral arms, and the stars tend to be a bluish/purplish tint, meaning that the stars are a lot younger. Now the other main part is, of course, the bulge. The bulge at the center is a flattened spheroid, contains stars of a reddish tint, the oldest one being 10 billion years old. There is some evidence that there may be a black hole in the middle of the bulge, yet we are still unsure if that is actually true. So the theories out there so far say that the Milky Way galaxy was formed during the Big Bang, although we are still unsure if all of this is actually true. With the theory, it is said that the Milky Way galaxy was one of the seeds of the global clusters, which are now some of the oldest stars in this galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is one of the brightest things in our gamma-ray sky. The reason for its brightness is because of a vast sea of cosmic ray particles. These particles slam into interstellar gas and dust, which form gamma rays. 90% of our gamma ray come from these cosmic particles. Our galaxy is full of different energies: protons, electrons, electromagnetic radiation, magnetic fields, and much more, as you've learned from this. So next time when you look up in the sky, remember that our galaxy is more than meets the eye.